What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for tuning back into Taylor Time TV. I'm just going to get right into it. You're going to need some gloves, spoons, or something to mix, your fruit slices, your sweetener, your lip gloss tubes, some bowls, and some syringes. I did make some mistakes throughout this video, but you will learn from me, so just keep on watching. You guys, right here, I'm showing you that my vendor sent me a defective lip gloss pouch. It was half open and the lip gloss spilled everywhere. It was a nightmare, so I just had to work through that. Right now I'm just going to take the lip gloss and fill up these bowls to where I feel acceptable. I just wanted them all to be even. I wanted about 5 tubes per flavor, but I ended up getting 11 tubes per flavor. You guys are going to see how that ends up in the end, but I don't have any measurements. I just was eyeballing it. This is my first time ever making lip gloss, you guys, and I just wanted to record it so that we could learn, you know, together and fix our mistakes together. So you guys are definitely going to see where I make mistakes, and you guys can feel free to comment down below and give me suggestions for anything as well. This is just a test batch, and I just wanted to see if it would actually work, and it did work. So stay tuned to figure out how. As you guys can see, there's a lip gloss going everywhere. This is a messy process. Second time coming around, I would definitely put napkins under my bowls just so that I can throw out whatever is getting sticky over and over, because once there's lip gloss on one thing, it's like everything gets sticky. So there's just a little tip for you guys that I learned looking back. Okay, so this is the most important part. If you have been trying to figure out how to make your glosses actually flavored, and by flavored, I mean like they have a taste. I know people say flavored when it's really like scent, like the smell, but I mean flavored by making them sweet. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to add sweetener to your glosses. To be able to find the exact sweetener, you guys are gonna have to do your own research, you know, look up different sweeteners, but add the sweetener to your gloss. That's what's going to make it taste a little bit sweet, you know, have a sweet taste to it. That is what I found out after so many long nights of research. So you guys just add, you know, whatever you find to be the measurements. I was just testing. Again, this is a test batch to figure out if I could really make a candy flavored lip gloss, and I'm really happy with the results. So keep on watching. Now I'm just going to mix the sweetener into the lip gloss. Make sure you guys mix it real good. Luckily, the sweetener was a little tinted, so I was able to see that it was mixed in. It will make your gloss a little cloudy, so if you're going for that super clear gloss, you might want to find a sweetener that's clear. I couldn't find one, but it is going to make it a little bit cloudy, but it's still going to be clear gloss. It's not going to be tinted. No worries. Now you're going to take your flavoring. Remember I said the flavoring is actually like the scent of the lip gloss. And you guys, I got these from Get Suckered. That will be in the description bar below. They were very hard to open. You have to like press down and then twist it. It's a hard process, but I'm just going to take a couple drops of those. Again, you're just going to experiment with how much you need. Some of them needed more than others. Another thing I was researching that took forever to find was that you use PG based for lip gloss. Let me know if you guys use the other version, the oil base. Comment down below, but that's what I use. I'm going to, you know, test it a little bit, put a couple of drops in, mix it up, see if I get a smell. For this particular vendor, the lip gloss kind of had a natural scent. Next time, I would definitely tell my vendor unscented lip gloss, you guys, if you're trying to do this, because I had to use so much flavoring because my lip gloss already had like kind of like a vanilla scent, and it was hard to overpower that. So you guys, These Get Suckered flavorings get really expensive, so make sure you guys are getting unscented lip gloss for sure. So I'm showing you guys all of the flavors that I got. Those will be in the description bar below. The candy flavors that I wanted to do, well, first, you guys, this is from Jordan Beauty, my new lip gloss business. And I am calling these candy lick glosses because they are edible, they are sweet, they taste like candy. This is our candy collection. I will be having a new collection every time, new flavors for the collection. For this collection, with the candy collection, I started off with cotton candy, blue raspberry Jolly Ranchers, watermelon airheads, and bubble gum. So if you guys are interested in that, check that out in the description bar, and you can purchase from your girl. And let me know how you guys like it. Really quickly, before we get into what I'm doing right here, I also want to say when it comes to those flavorings, make sure that you guys are aware of the tint of the flavorings. Some of them were clear and some of them were tinted. So again, that's just going to make your lip gloss a little cloudy. It's not going to make it a tint or anything or come out of color. It is just going to cloud it a little bit. So just be aware of that. Guys, I was struggling so hard with the syringe. It was one of the hardest parts about this. I had no idea. I tried to suck it up and it was getting bubbles in it, or it was getting stuck. So then I tried to scoop it. That was extremely messy. Lip gloss got everywhere, as you can see. So you guys comment down below and, help me out with what works better. What's just the cleaner, easiest technique to get the lip gloss in the syringe. I would appreciate it. Thank you. So every lip gloss in this collection is going to have some fruit slices in it. I have where you guys can get those in the description bar below. I was trying to figure out how to do this because I watched a bunch of videos and people had different ways that they did it. I decided I was just going to take like a pipette, pick them up, put them in the tube, lay them where I wanted them to go. And I just tried a bunch of different ways, you guys. The best thing I can say that I unfortunately didn't get on camera was taking like some tweezers, putting them in there, shaking them up on the side, and then just filling up your tube, maybe adjusting them a little bit. That's the best advice I can give you on how to get them dispersed all pretty and evenly. If you guys have any tips, again, feel free to comment down below. I'm open to all suggestions. So now I'm just taking some lip gloss toppers and putting them in the gloss. Let me know, you guys, do you put them in after or before? I tried both and got different results. I also learned not to fill the tubes all the way up, just to give it a little bit of space. So there's a tip, because if you don't, the gloss will overflow. Again, this was a test batch. I really didn't, know exactly how I wanted my measurements and all that, but you guys can see how I did everything right here. All of my glosses will be in the description bar below. It's Jordan Beauty with 2 N's. Let me know anything I can improve on or any tips or tricks. I definitely had trouble with the syringe. I think it was like air bubbles in there, but I had trouble getting the gloss out of the syringe. So, I just hope that this will be a space where we can all network and share tips and tricks, because I want to see everybody win. And, excuse my gross nails. It was just, time for me to get my nails done. But yeah, you guys, I will have all of the flavors down below and all the links to all of the products that I used. Thank you so much for watching. Now I need you to binge watch on the last episodes and catch up on the new episodes, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you so much. Mwah.